When it comes to premium vacuum cleaners, Dyson and Shark stand as two leading contenders in the market. Both brands offer innovative features and reliable cleaning performance, but they differ significantly in various aspects. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast who finds satisfaction in perfectly vacuumed carpet lines, a pet owner waging constant war against fur tumbleweeds, or simply someone seeking the most efficient way to maintain a clean home, the Dyson versus Shark debate represents one of the most consequential decisions in modern household management. Let's dive deep into this vacuum vendetta to determine which brand truly sucks in the best possible way. Design and build quality. Dyson emphasizes sleek, modern aesthetics with a focus on technological innovation. Their vacuums feature a distinctive cyclonic design that has become their signature look, with transparent dustbins that showcase their multi-cyclonic separation technology. The materials used in Dyson vacuums tend toward lightweight, yet durable plastics and carbon fiber components, creating a premium feel while keeping the overall weight manageable. The build quality is generally excellent, with attention to detail in areas like button placement, handle ergonomics, and attachment connections that create a cohesive user experience. Shark offers practical designs with innovative features like the lift-away function in their upright models, allowing users to detach the canister for more versatile cleaning. Their design philosophy appears more focused on versatility and adaptability than aesthetic minimalism. Many Shark cordless vacuums can be stored freestanding without wall mounts, and their foldable designs make them more compact for storage in closets or utility rooms. The build quality is robust with durable plastics and metal components in high-stress areas. Suction power and performance. Dyson vacuums generally offer more powerful maximum suction, especially in their higher-end models. They excel at deep cleaning with their advanced motor technology and cyclonic suction system. The brand also provides real-time particle counting and size detection in newer models like the V15 Detect and Gen 5 Detect. Shark vacuums, while not publishing specific suction specs, deliver impressive cleaning performance that's sufficient for most household cleaning tasks. They particularly excel at carpet cleaning, where their PowerFins technology effectively pulls debris from between carpet fibers. Both brands perform well in cleaning tests involving fine dust and larger debris. Usability and maneuverability. Dyson excels in floorhead maneuverability, with their cordless vacuums offering smooth pivoting in any direction, making it easy to navigate around furniture and into tight spaces. Their newer models feature LCD screens displaying detailed information about battery life, maintenance needs, and even real-time dust statistics. Shark vacuums often include practical features like bendable wands, multi-flex technology, that can bend nearly 180 degrees for cleaning under furniture or compact storage. Their controls tend to be more straightforward, using indicator lights or illuminated icons to relay information about power mode and battery status. Dustbin capacity and emptying. Dustbin capacities vary by model, but generally Dyson and Shark offer comparable storage volumes in their respective vacuum categories. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect provides 0.8 quarts of dust capacity, while the Shark Power Detect offers a slightly smaller 0.74 quarts. In their upright models, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 features a generous 1.7-liter capacity compared to the Shark Vertex's 1.1 liters. Shark has innovated with self-emptying technology in models like the Detect Pro, which automatically empties the vacuum's dust canister into a larger receptacle in the charging dock when the vacuum is returned to its base. This feature eliminates the need for frequent manual emptying and reduces direct contact with dust and allergens. Some Shark models include an empty assist paddle that helps push stubborn debris out of the dust cup. Battery life and runtime. Both brands offer comparable battery performance in their latest models, with Dyson's Gen 5 Detect and Shark's Power Detect, both advertising up to 70 minutes of runtime. The Shark cordless vacuum IZ102 provides up to 40 minutes of operation, suitable for smaller homes or quick cleaning sessions. In real-world use with mixed power settings and motorized brush heads, users can expect approximately 30 to 45 minutes from high-end models from both manufacturers. Dyson's battery technology has improved substantially over generations, with newer models offering significantly longer runtimes than their predecessors. Similarly, Shark has invested in battery technology, with their newer models featuring lithium-ion batteries that maintain consistent power throughout the discharge cycle rather than gradually fading. Charging times are comparable between brands, with most models requiring 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Filtration systems. Dyson implements HEPA filtration in its newer models like the Gen 5 Detect, effectively trapping allergens and fine particles as small as 0.3 microns with 99.97% efficiency. Their whole machine filtration system ensures that the air expelled from the vacuum is cleaner than the air it takes in, making their vacuums suitable for allergy sufferers. Dyson's cyclonic separation technology also plays a role in their filtration system, using centrifugal force to separate dust particles from the airstream before they reach the filter, helping to maintain suction power over time. Shark features what they call anti-allergen complete seal technology, with HEPA filters that trap dust, dander, and allergens inside the vacuum. Their sealed system ensures that particles can't escape through cracks or seams in the vacuum body, maintaining the integrity of the filtration process. Like Dyson, most Shark filters are washable and reusable, though some models also offer replaceable filter options for users who prefer not to clean filters manually. Shark's self-emptying models add another layer of allergen control by containing dust during the emptying process, reducing exposure to allergens when disposing of collected debris. Accessories and attachments. Dyson typically includes more specialized attachments with their vacuums. For example, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect comes with 2 cleaner heads and 6 accessories, including the hair screw tool for pet hair and the built-in dusting and crevice tool. Shark vacuums generally come with standard attachments like crevice tools and upholstery tools. The exact accessories vary by model, but they tend to be more basic compared to Dyson's specialized tools. Warranty. Shark offers significantly better warranty coverage compared to Dyson, providing a 5-year warranty on most models versus Dyson's standard 2-year warranty. This substantial difference reflects Shark's confidence in their product durability and serves as a significant value proposition for consumers concerned about long-term reliability. Dyson's 2-year warranty, while shorter, still exceeds the industry standard 1-year coverage offered by many budget vacuum brands. Their warranty covers parts and labor for manufacturing defects, though like Shark, consumable items have different terms. Noise levels. Both brands produce comparable noise levels during operation, typically ranging from 65 to 75 decibels depending on the model and power setting. Neither brand has a significant advantage in this area, with both offering relatively standard vacuum noise output. Dyson has implemented some acoustic engineering in their newer models to reduce noise while maintaining performance, particularly in their higher-end offerings. Shark vacuums tend to produce slightly different tonal qualities in their noise profile compared to Dyson, with some users finding the lower-pitched sound of certain Shark models less intrusive during operation. The noise level typically increases with the power setting on both brands, with the highest suction modes producing the most sound. Pricing and value. Shark positions itself as the more budget-friendly option, with prices ranging from $100 to $500, making it an excellent value proposition for consumers seeking high-end features without the premium price tag. Dyson, on the other hand, commands higher prices between $300 and $1,050, reflecting its focus on cutting-edge technology and premium design. While Dyson vacuums are often available at discounted prices during sales events, they remain significantly more expensive than comparable Shark models. So, which one should you choose? Choosing between Dyson and Shark ultimately depends on your priorities and budget, with each brand offering distinct advantages that appeal to different types of consumers. Choose Dyson if you value cutting-edge technology and innovative features that push the boundaries of what vacuum cleaners can do. Their laser dust detection, particle counting, and automatic suction adjustment represent the forefront of cleaning technology. Choose Shark if you want excellent value for money without sacrificing essential features or cleaning performance. Shark's innovations focus on practical solutions to common cleaning challenges, like their lift-away technology that transforms upright vacuums into portable canister units for versatile cleaning. Both brands deliver excellent cleaning performance that will satisfy most households, making either a solid choice depending on your specific needs and preferences. The decision ultimately comes down to whether you prioritize Dyson's technological innovation and premium design or Shark's practical features and superior value proposition.